Okay, we're moving to the Pixellab app. If you don't have Pixellab, you could go to the Google Play Store and then download, or the App Store. So this is the way Pixellab is when you open it after downloading. The top area before this text area is the top bar. This place where you see new text is the working space. Then where you see my projects default thing, and the rest of it is the bottom bar. So I'll introduce the top bar first. This plus sign are shortcuts to the features that you can also find. Some features you can also find at the bottom bar. For example, the text, new text. You could find it in the bottom bar. Also, current dates. Your current date comes out no matter the day you are in. Then the stickers, they are already embedded in the app. You have the emojis, then sorry. So yeah, we have the stickers, the emojis. Then we have the shapes. You can also find it in the bottom bar. You can choose which shape you want through this downward arrow. These are the limited shapes it has. Okay, so then you have from the gallery, you can add your photos from the gallery. It moves directly into your gallery of photos, yeah. It's okay. Then we move to drawings. Here you select your pen size. You could increase it and also increase the smoothness. Then other effects. When you select blur radius, see how it looks like. Dashed line. Neon effect. Can you see the difference in everything? So, and this place I was tapping is the reverse icon for the drawings. Then, yeah, and then the second icon beside the plus is the save bar, the save icon. You could save it to your project, and you could save it as an image. Project is saved in the Pixellab app. It doesn't live there, but if you save it as an image, it saves it at your gallery, but it won't save here in the Pixellab. So you could save both, and as you're saving, you could set the name as in project. Then as an image, you select the quality of your image, JPG, image format, or PNG. Yeah, so then the third icon is the share icon. You can also save through the share icon, but it also shows you the option to share to the Facebook, Twitter, Google, WhatsApp. Then these two funny icons here are for the quotes. They also have quotes. In case you want to write up something and then you add your quotes, you could find some here. You could get some ideas from here. So these three dots are also shortcuts to other beautiful features that Pixellab have. The image size, you could set it through here. Getting image from the gallery, which we also saw the other side. Getting to full screen. Oh, this is the image from camera, sorry. full screen, zoom out, and other things you might want to explore. Then we are moving to the bottom part of the Pixellab app. And then here are the projects that I've been working on. Then when you start working on your projects and start saving your work to your project, you see your work in this my projects. Then these are presets. All these things you're seeing here, presets, which determines its kind of background and the size of the image or size of the work you're doing. Each of them have different sizes and the kind of text you can use here, even though you can change that. And you can change that using this text area, which is this A app. You add text, you add quotes, but the main focus is text. You can edit, delete, copy, put the text in the front. For example, you type in something like my mother, and then using this one you type my father. This one, oh, let me change the color so you see what I'm saying. It will cover it. But if you set this my father to the back by pressing back, this my mother will come to the front. Let me give this my mother. It will come to the front. But if this my mother is set to the back, it goes to the back of this my father. You understand? Yeah, so the positioning of the text, the relative positioning is an automatic thing. It could be this side, downwards. So, but this one is just moving it at your own pace. So yeah, all this editing for the text. Then the third icon is for importing of photos, where this import icon is. You could import a new photo into the work from your gallery. Then you could add stickers. Then drawings. You could set your drawing pen size. You could smoothen it to the extent that it's so smooth and sharp. Then blurring it, we already talked about that. So yeah, and then the shapes, using this downward arrow you can find which one you want to work on. Select its color, the width, the opacity. Opacity is showing whether it will be visible or not. Then this is, once you select a shape, it automatically changes the bar to editing the shape. But if you press an empty space, it returns back to this place. And then this tool is for giving the already embedded picture or shape another shape. This first icon that has a plus on it in this tool, Bezier mode, is for bringing out uh more selections where you can cut out and edit the icon, I mean the figure, the object there. Then this one is to now start moving what you did. So then this R tool, yeah, when you want to use it. Then this one is for the background. The fourth icon is the background. Whatever you do with the background, you can get from the gallery. Oh, I didn't introduce the top bar completely because this reverse icon is this U-turn icon at the top bar. Then this plus icon that is embedded in something like a microscope is the zoom. And then this is to know the level of where what you're writing stops or starts. Then this is what shows what you're working on. Whatever you write in your working space, it appears here. Okay, sorry about that. So we're still in the getting your background from the gallery. We can just reverse now. First of all, remove this, then reverse so we could all be understanding what we're doing. Then getting image from the app directly. These are the images the app came with. Then cropping it if you want. Then setting your image size. You set it to a height of 1, 2, and it increases. Then transparency, just like removing the background entirely. Then adding color, and that's it. Then the final icon there is for beautification of the entire app. Sorry, entire work. This, you could reduce its intensity, you could increase it, you could change the color of whatever you're doing. Then you can rotate. That is if what you're doing is to be rotated. Then noise makes it look rough. Not rough in the sense of rough, but you understand what I mean when you use noise. Thickening it, enhancing is just like adding pixels in front of what you're doing. Then stripes. Brightness, contrast, hue. And that's it for Pixellab.